you a student pursuing your undergraduate or postgraduate degree in computer science or related fields and are from Asia Pacific, Middle East or Africa, Europe, United States, and Canada? Or your studies is about to begin? I bring you this wonderful scholarship opportunity by Google that is valued up to 10,000 US dollars. Hi, my name is Sylvia. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. Also like and share this video with your family and friends. This is the Google homepage where you're going to be seeing the scholarship, and I'm on the tab already, scholarships. And when I scroll down, you can see that this is available to students pursuing a post-secondary education. And here you can see that all the scholarships are already open. So that means you can already apply to these scholarships immediately as you're seeing this video. Based on your location, you can filter for your scholarship because there are 7 results. So let me filter based on Africa. And now you can see that we have Generation Google Scholarship EMEA. So this is open to those from EMEA region. And when I also unselect, let me filter for Americas. And now you can see there are 3 scholarships available for those in Americas. And when I filter for Asia Pacific, we have 2 scholarships available, but one is not yet open. When I filter for Australia, we have 1 scholarship open. Middle East, you can see we have only 1, which is Generation Google Scholarship EMEA, and the scholarship amount varies depending on your location. Right now, I will click on Generation Google Scholarship EMEA. Let's see what it entails. This scholarship, Generation Google Scholarship EMEA, is basically for women in computer science. So here you can see women in computer science, and also for the second tab, it says women in computer science in Ireland. This is for those in Ireland, but let me check on this one, women in computer science. When I scroll down, you can see that it says amount varies by scholarship, and it also varies by location. And here it says the deadline. The deadline to apply is until May 16th, or when application reaches 3,000 eligible applicants. And this is the button for you to click to apply immediately. The overview says this is for women in computer science. And it says the selected student will receive a 7,000 euros award or local equivalent. So depending on where you're studying, you're going to receive 7,000 euro award for the 2023-24 academic year. Who can apply? So for you to be eligible, you have to be currently enrolled as a full-time student in a bachelor program at a university or college for 2022-2023 academic year, or you're intending to enroll in a full-time program in any of the university in Europe, Middle East, or Africa for 2023-24 academic year, and you'll be studying or are studying computer science, computer engineering, or closely related technical field. You should also demonstrate a strong academic record. And this is the application process. You will be asked to complete an online application, which includes your background information, submitting your resume, academic transcripts, response to short answer essays. And this is the short answer essay. So you're going to do well to read this essay and basically respond to this essay, and that is just it. And this is the terms and condition. And if you have any questions regarding this, you can write them an email to this email address. And here, feel free to read also the frequently asked questions in case you have any doubts regarding this application. But very importantly, I want to point out something in this question. It says, I just started a new degree, so I don't have a GPA or transcript. What should I do? So it says, please enter the GPA or transcript of your most recently completed degree. So please take note in case you just started your degree, so you can already present a past record. So back to the scholarship board, feel free to look through any of these and pick your region and go through it. And once you're interested to make this application, all you have to do is to click on this application for 2023 here. Click on this button. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and share it with your family and friends. Loads you to this page and it says create your application. This is 2023 Generation Google Scholarship. Generally, you just read through everything, fill in everything that is in asterisks. So once you have filled in your application like so, all you have to do is to click on save. It welcomes you to the Generation Google Scholarship for Women in Computer Science application portal. And here you can scroll down and you see that this is current application. This is the applicant. This is my email address, and it says application is in draft. And now this is the application steps. I have to fill in my information, contact details, current and intended academic information, work experience, application document, additional information, just basically in 6 steps, and you would hit submit. All you have to do is to click on this pencil icon to open it. It's already ticked already the first one for me that I've completed my information, and now I'm on the second tab, contact and general information. And here you have to put your number and also indicate your country where you are residing. And afterwards you click on save and it will bring you to the next tab. You can also navigate to the next tab in case you want to skip any of those. So I click on number 3, and here it brings you to current and intended academic information. Here you have to fill in your academic information, and once you're done, you click on the next one. But remember, ensure that you click on save. Save your work at any point, and you can sign out here if you want to sign out, and you come back to it later. And this tab, application documents, so here you're going to upload your resume, current transcripts, basically everything asterisk, and you answer the essay questions that is being asked here. You save and you continue. And the last one is additional information. When you fill in any one and save it, it brings you automatically back to these application steps. And here you can see that I've already filled my information and also additional information. So I have left these ones that are not already highlighted, that are not in blue mark. And when you complete all of this, then you can see the submit button highlighting, and then you can submit your application. Please let me know in the comment section if you're going to be applying to this particular scholarship. Also, forward this video to family and friends to take advantage of this wonderful opportunity by Google. This is basically it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.